Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 4 Cube and Cube Roots Exercise 4A Question 1. This is write T for true or F for false, right? Let us see. First is the cube root of 8000 is 200. So I think we are all aware with what is cube and cube root. Let us quickly see. So if I have a number a, then its cube will be a to power 3, that is a into a into a. We will multiply the number by itself 3 times. In square roots we multiplied it with 2 times. Okay, 2 times we multiply the number with itself, but here in cube and cube roots we'll multiply a number 3 times to get its cube, and the cube root will be the same, that the number that should be multiplied 3 times by itself to give the desired number, that will be the number the cube root of that number, right? So if a cube is a into a, then its cube root will be what? A, right? Because that only we are multiplying 3 times. It's just like square root. See, first is cube root of 8000 is 200. So you can see, if I have to see, so 200 into so if I'm going to write it this way, then see, this will be 200 into 200 into 200, right? This should give me 8000. See, 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, and how many zeros? 1 2 1 2 1 2. How many zeros? 6. So write that down. So this is not 8000. Okay, it is 8000 and it is 80 lakhs. So this is not the cube root. 200 is not the cube root of 8000. So this is this is false, right? So right here F for false. Then we have the next one is that each prime factor appears 3 times in its cube. So yes, it is correct, because we have done the prime factorization method, and if I'll take 8, then see 2 4 2 2 again 2 1. So you can see how the square root will come, the cube root will come out here. So you can see 3 times 2 is coming, therefore this is correct, this is true. Every prime factor appears 3 times only. Okay, then it is this thing, it says that you can see this symbol, it's made here like this. This one is for finding the square root, but if I write 3 on top of this, this is for finding the cube root. So see, cube root of 27 plus 64 is equal to cube root of 27 plus the cube root of 64 separately. So we cannot do it here, right? This is not correct, and see why. This will be, see, cube root of how much it is? 27 and 64, 7 4 11 and 1 91 is equal to cube root of 27 is 3. You can see 3 into 3 into 3. Sorry, 3 into 3 is 9, and 9 into 3 27, and for 64 this is 4. 4 into 4, that is 16, and again 4. So 16 into 4 64. So this is going to be 3 plus 4. So definitely it is incorrect, because see, you will get that the cube root of 91 will be equal to 3 plus 4, that is your 7. Okay, this is not correct. Okay, this is wrong. So this statement is also false. For an integer a cube is always greater than a square. You can see that if I have let us say some 2 integers, let me show you over here. You can see if I have, let's say, value of a as 2. Okay, so a cube will be 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, and a square will be 2 into 2, that is 4. You can see 8 and 4. So of course here a cube is greater than a square, but they have said a is an integer. So if I take now value of a as -2, then a cube will become minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, which is what? Minus into minus into minus, that is minus sign. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, right? Minus 8. Now if I have a square, then this will become minus 2 into minus 2, that will be plus 4. So here what is happening? A square is coming greater than a cube in cases of negative numbers, negative integers. You can see a cube is minus 8, a square is minus 4. Therefore this is not always correct. Sometimes it is, but not always correct. So this will consider as false. Least number by which 72 must be divided to make it a perfect cube is 9. Let's check. So I have the number here, that is 72. Now it says the smallest number by which 72 should be divided to make it a perfect cube. What is a perfect cube? Perfect cube is a cube of a whole number, right? So like we have studied perfect squares, same concept applied here, although some things are different here also. We'll learn about them later. 72 and now upon 9. So this will go how many times? 8 times. 8 is the cube of 2 into 2 into 2. It is the cube of 2, right? So that is 8 is equal to 2 cube, and this is the smallest, right? The smallest one after this will be 1 cube, which is not 8, right? So this is going to be true. Okay, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye.